29 Pro. While the official launch date is yet to be announced, we've gathered some exciting details about this upcoming smartphone. So, without further ado, let's dive into the intriguing world of the Vivo V29 Pro. Starting off with what many of you are curious about, the expected price. The Vivo V29 Pro is rumored to hit the market with an anticipated price tag of Rs. 43,990. However, please note that this is just speculation, and we're eagerly waiting for the official announcement. Speaking of which, the expected release date for the Vivo V29 Pro is set for September 10, 2023. Keep in mind that these details are based on leaks and rumors, so stay tuned for official updates. Now, let's talk about the heart of this device, its specifications. The Vivo V29 Pro is expected to run on Android V13 with Vivo's custom FunTouch OS. Under the hood, it's rumored to feature the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset, which is clocked at an impressive 3.1 GHz, single-core, plus 3 GHz, tri-core, plus 2 GHz, quad-core. This powerhouse of a processor is paired with a whopping 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free performance. When it comes to the display, the Vivo V29 Pro is rumored to sport a stunning 6.7-inch OLED panel with a pixel density of 393 ppi. The icing on the cake? A silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate that promises fluid animations and responsiveness. Turning our attention to photography, the Vivo V29 Pro is rumored to pack a triple camera setup on the back, a 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP configuration. This trio is expected to deliver exceptional clarity and versatility. On the front, a 50MP camera is speculated to capture stunning selfies and handle video calls with finesse. In the battery department, the Vivo V29 Pro is rumored to house a 5000 mAh Li-polymer battery, ensuring extended usage without frequent charging. And when it does need some juice, the device is expected to support fast charging via its USB Type-C port. As for connectivity, the device is anticipated to feature dual SIM support, Nano plus Nano, with VoLTE enabled in India. Wi-Fi 4, Bluetooth V5.3, and GPS with GPS and GLONASS are also expected to be on board. Although the Vivo V29 Pro is still on the horizon, there are similar products available in the market. For instance, the Vivo V27 Pro, OnePlus 11, and OnePlus 11R offer compelling features and performance. And there you have it, a sneak peek into the rumored Vivo V29 Pro. Keep in mind that these details are based on leaks and speculations, and the actual device may vary. Be sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates on the Vivo V29 Pro's official launch and confirmed specifications. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.